Hi guys, I'm Lauren. Welcome to my channel. It's so good to see you guys. Thank you guys for popping in and watching my video. Really appreciate it. Today I'm kind of impromptu hopping on because I won a giveaway from Plants in a Pickle. And Shelly, the owner, is absolutely wonderful. She is a gem of a human being. I will post her Instagram right here, and I will, I'll Etsy shop and Instagram and drop all the goodies down below. She also gave me a coupon code. I will be asking her if I can share that with you guys because that would be amazing. This totally non-sponsored video, by the way. I've been following her for a while and she did this really amazing giveaway where all you had to go and do was comment down below what types of plants you're enjoying. You didn't have to like, you didn't have to follow, you didn't have to go and do a whole bunch of craziness in order to be put in for this giveaway. It was just a thank you for being an awesome person and supporting me type of giveaway, and I absolutely love the concept. I really do. So much so that I might steal it soon. Thank you, Shelly. So I am gonna go take you downstairs in my kitchen with my terrible lighting. I'm sorry, guys. It was kind of an impromptu recording. I am gonna open the giveaway plants that she sent and we're gonna talk about them a little bit. I'm gonna pot them up. That's pretty much it. There are some succulents and some peperomia and just some wonderful planty awesomeness. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, definitely stick around. Let's get into it today.
Yay, plant mail! Oh my gosh, she left a little card. It's so cute. Oh, I love the sticker. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna save that. That's so cute. I love ferns. They are my favorites. Oh, there's all kinds of goodies in here. Alright, so there is her coupon. Definitely after you're done watching the video, go buy some stuff from her. And she's got a little sticker. And then I love this with the propagation tips. That's amazing. It's always very helpful. I don't know much about succulents, so this helps me a lot. Oh, she sent me a lot more. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's open this and see what's in here. Oh, she used the fluff. Yay! Sorry, I'm trying to get a better angle for you guys here. There we go. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. So this is Peperomia Ruby Cascade and Codenanthe. I'm not exactly sure how to say that. But I've been on the lookout for Ruby Cascade for a long time. So I am super excited for that. Thank you so much, Shelly. Alright, and package number 2. Oh, what is it? Oh, more floof. And so many goodies. You can see the Peperomia mint already. Ah, Peperomia scandens mint already. Oh my gosh. And she sent some Hoya. And Dischidia. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So amazing. Wow. And the Peperomia. Oh, it's just beautiful. This is the Peperomia scandens mint, which I didn't even know was a thing, which is so cool. Alright guys, let me get this out of the way. Alright, so let's get on to this one. This is so cute how she does the little bows. I'm sorry for the camera angle. It just wouldn't let me zoom in any more than that. I know. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, it's so cute with the little cactus. Oh my goodness. That is just adorable for the water propagations. Oh, that's so cute. That's adorable. I'm sticking something in there. Oh man, this last one is a big one. Let me try to scoot this off here. Here you go. So you guys can see, even though I mispronounce stuff, what's in there. And I'll try to label everything for you guys. But if I mislabel something, definitely comment down below and let me know. And if you have any succulent tips, definitely let me know. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's beautiful. That in itself is an Instagram. Insta-worthy. I just can't get enough of it. It's beautiful. Alright, so I have some Bonsai Jack soil here that I'm just going to be putting these succulents in. They are cuttings. I don't have enough propagation jars left after my last Tradescantia video. So I'm going to use this little container here. And I'm going to fill the bottom with water because this Jack's bonsai mix will dry out super fast. And this you can see is calloused over already, which is just fantastic. And this one I believe can sit in a drier environment. It doesn't have to sit in water, but if I'm wrong, please leave a comment down below because it is gorgeous and I don't want to kill it. This is my first time with succulent cuttings, so I'm learning as I go, and there's always more to learn no matter how much research you do. What I am going to be doing here is picking the different types of cuttings that kind of match and go together and put cuttings that are like each other in the same little pot. I should have grabbed my chopsticks for this. But that way it'll all kind of fit together. This dragon's blood is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm just so impressed. And these all came perfectly happy. Like there's no wilting or anything. I'm using my scissors because I left my chopsticks upstairs and my baby is sleeping and I don't want to go and wake him up. So making do with what I have. But if you have a chopstick, it's much easier. And I'm just going to pot all of these up. When I'm done potting them up, I will give you an overview and the name of every single one. I'm just kind of showing you as I go along. And I am placing them, and then I'm going to take this Captain Jack's and kind of fill in the spaces like you saw me do with the first one. And here I'm taking off this extra little ones. For this particular one, I don't know if the leaves will grow or not. I'm not 100% sure. It's actually a myth that all succulent leaves, you can take them off and they'll grow new roots in a whole new plant. Not all succulents will do that. And it just depends on the different ones. A lot of them with a very thicker, more succulent and juicy leaves can do that, which is pretty cool. But I'm just not sure about those. They felt kind of thick, but the stem was very thin. But if I did it with the Adelphi one right next to it, then it would have been fine. So, but I will try to propagate what I can, and I'll show you my little propagation thing in a minute. And I'm going to put water in there and use her little bottle because that was just so freaking cute. I'm just taking the stems off, or the leaves off the stems on the bottom there, and then I'm just gonna kind of shove them in the soil mixture. And because this soil mixture dries out so much, I think I said this already, but I'm actually gonna put water in the container underneath it So that way I can just put less and less water in it after they have rooted, and I don't have to repot them up and possibly damage roots until they're well established. But I don't want to rot the roots either, so this is kind of the compromise that I've come up with. I'm also going to be going on vacation soon, and I did not want to risk the bottles of water drying out if they're all there. This is just too many pretty plants to risk losing at this point, so. And we're back to the scissors. Use what you have, right? I'm curious, actually, comment down below, what kind of things have you used for plants that were not meant for plants? Like, I'm curious. I bet you guys have some genius things that you've come up with in the moment, and I would love to hear about it. Those ones actually do propagate. I've seen that. This is just so beautiful. I love this. I think I'm running out of pots though, so I'm gonna have to go get another pot in just a minute. Yep, I've got a couple more left and I don't have enough pots. 1 minute. I'll be right back. Alright, I found another pot. We're good. We're good to go. I'm just going to put those ones in it. And I think I'm going to take that golden one out and put this little one in there, since I think these ones will need more water than that one will. Plus, its leaves are thicker, so it can handle drought better if it needs to. These are so cute. I don't know what they're called, but they're adorable. Get these fuzz. Need to get the tweezers to get the fuzz off. These little blue sedums are so cool. Is it sedum or sedum? I did not Google it beforehand. Sorry, guys. This is so cute, though. It's like a tiny forest in this pot. I really love it. It's a little forest of succulents. Ah, I love it. This one actually has a little bit of root on it, which is nice. Too much. A chopstick would be handy for this too, because it just kind of goes around. Angles it a little bit better. Let me clean this up. I don't want to waste any of this. It is not the cheapest mixture, but it is supposedly the best, so I'm pretty excited to be using it. And I'm using perlite for the succulent propagation. It works really well. You can see I put the water down there, so that way it's rooting in water, but I can slowly reduce it. There's a calancho. I don't know what that little pink one is, but it's so beautiful. And if you guys know these little swirly ones over here, please let me know. And I wasn't sure about that one, but I labeled everything I could. The hens and chicks I knew immediately. My grandmother had them when I was a child. I love them. These rooted quickly. Oh my gosh, overnight they rooted. I had to show you guys. And then I waited one more day and I had to add this in because the flower opened the next morning. It only lasted like a day and a half, but it was so cool. And then this one I did end up misting on the bottom a little bit, just kind of hoping that some roots would develop. Again, please comment down below and let me know. And I put all the stickers on my thermos.
Alright guys, sorry my camera kind of died there a little bit, but we're rolling with it, we're making it work, okay? Definitely drop your comments down below. I read and respond to every single one as quickly as I can, and let's get a dialogue about this succulent awesomeness going on down here. Don't forget to subscribe for more planty awesomeness, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!